We survived the Great Depression, and there were opportunities then. Even as 50 people were jumping off the ledge of a building, somebody else was buying the building with no money down. And, we survived that. In the middle of the Civil War, there were opportunities, and there were people still opportunity-oriented.
You use the COVID shutdown to take time to think, to put new plans in place, to make business model changes, investment changes, living life changes, redoing your blueprint, determining what was really important in your life. These are the opportunities that volatility and change provide for us, and that is the way we've got to look at it.
We have to manage being adaptable, but not being impulsive.
Amidst all this change, there is always immense opportunity. Not only for us in our own opportunity to change our business model, our wealth and investment model, our family's goals, that kind of thing, even amidst the changes that will be coming forthwith, create more chaos and more opportunities. Not everybody survives. Many small businesses will not make it. Well, it's not time to run for the hills, sell everything we've got, and bunker down. You've got to have your antenna up. You've got to be aware of what these changes are. Just because you're a hard worker, you've learned a certain way to do business that's kept you afloat to this point, doesn't mean that same pathway is going to keep you good. You've got to be willing to test different ideas and, above all, have multiple lines in the water, which is something that's very difficult for people to do because they get so entrenched in the thing that they do, and they get good at the thing they do, but that thing is vulnerable. So having multiple lines in the water where you can take participations in other types of businesses or opportunities where you don't have to be the one driving it, but who do you know that's got something going on? What kind of groups are you a part of where there's new opportunities and innovation happening amidst all this change, where you can participate and have a redundancy in your wealth and your income streams? It's not all tied to that one thing.
The strength of the plan is what prevents panic. It sort of calms you down when others are operating on emotion only. Any situational change, pandemic did it, Biden economics will do it. It creates bargains. It creates opportunity.
People, we all tend to get in a place of panic when we foresee things, then we think they're going to be worse than they are, and life goes on, and we persevere if we're people that will carry that torch and not just let life happen to us.